Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. In this video, we are going to discuss another interesting topic, that is the various types of the herbal ingredients used in hair care. This topic again has been taken from the subject cosmetic and cosmeceuticals sciences. Now let us try to understand the various herbal sources and their purpose for in the treatment of hair care. So first substance which is derived from the herbal source is the avla. Avla is a very famous herbal ingredient popularly known as Indian gooseberry and is an excellent hair conditioning herb. It not only provides nourishment that penetrates the scalp and strengthens hair, but it also promotes roots to promote stronger, healthier new growth. And the main purpose of using avla is to fulfill the hair loss and hair thinning treatments. Another herbal ingredient which is widely used, popularly known as Rita, is the soap nut. It is also known as soap nut as it contains the natural soap. So beside excellent cleansing properties, it is known to keep hair and skin soft. It is used from very ancient time. The seed of the fruit contains precious oil, and the extract is made by grinding the seed and the pulp to use in the shampoo. So not only it is limited to cleansing purpose, but also for the conditioning purpose, primarily used for the hair conditioning purpose. Next herbal ingredient widely used for the hair treatment is basil, also known as Ocimum basilicum. It stimulates hair follicles, also increases the scalp circulation and promotes hair growth. The magnesium in the basil help protect hairs from the breakage and has anti-inflammatory properties too. It also soothes the roots. So the primary purpose is used in the treatment of hair loss and hair thinning. Next herbal ingredient is the jojoba oil. It is similar to the whale oil and has the similar properties as was for the whale oil. So it is used as an not only for smoothing of the skin surface but also to have the hair conditioning purpose. Next herbal ingredient is the bhringraj, popularly known as Eucalyptus alba in ancient Ayurvedic herbal remedies for hair loss, premature graying, and skin allergies. It also promotes and rejuvenates the skin and is also considered as the king of the herbs for its hair growth. So it is as equally important like avla, bhringraj. You must have seen various hair oil combination having the avla, bhringraj, and bhringraj is widely used for the hair treatment, especially for the hair loss, hair conditioning purpose. It adds deep moisture and acts like the multivitamin for hair to help strengthen the hair shaft and also provides natural shine and may also help with the dandruff treatment as well. So it is primarily used for the scalp conditioning and for the treatment of hair loss and hair thinning. Next herbal ingredient is the burdock, also known as the Artemia lapa. It strengthens the hair follicles and promotes the hair growth and improves the overall condition of the hair. The silica and the phytosterols in the burdock actually help soothe the irritated scalp conditions like dandruff and also decreases the breakage and also repairs the hair. It also adds shine and primarily functions as the hair conditioning for the oily hairs as well as for the dry hair scalp and is also used for the treatment of hair loss or hair thinning. The next herbal ingredient is the calendula, derived from the flower Calendula officinalis. It soothes to the sensitive scalps, is rich in plant minerals that protect the hair from free radicals and the scalp from the bacterial growth. So a calendula hair rinse conditions add shine and can also be used to create the warm highlights. So primarily used for the treatment of scalp conditions, also for the highlighting few colors like red color and the blonde color, and is useful for both the dry hair as well as the oily hair scalp. Next herbal ingredient used for the hair treatment is the chamomile, also known as the Matricaria recutita, and is used to soothe the scalp and the condition of the hair. It also adds highlights to the fair hair and a sheen to dark hair, and it conditions and softens them. Chamomile tea makes a fantastic hair rinse for the blondes, strengthens scalp tissues, and promotes hair growth. So primarily used for the treatment of scalp conditions. The next very important here ingredient is the fenugreek or methi. It provides natural proteins for the nourishment and health of the hair. It also stimulates blood flow to the root of the hair and is used to combat hair loss. It is primarily used for the treatment of scalp conditions like dandruff, thinning hair, and damaged hair. It is said to preserve the hair's natural oil and keep hair silky. So it is used for primarily for the purpose of the treatment of hair loss, hair thinning, as well as the scalp conditions. The next herbal ingredient source is the flaxseed or the linseed. It comes from the flax plant, an annual herb. It is rich in mucilages, a complex mixture of polysaccharides that form a soothing gelatinous substance when water is added to them. So the mucilage actually provides a slip-like conditioning activity that helps to detangle the hair. It is used and is very rich in omega-3 essential fatty acids, thereby strengthening the hair shaft and help with the hair loss. It's primarily used for the detanglement and also to have the treatment of the hair loss and hair thinning. The next herbal and very popular herbal ingredient is the henna, widely used for hair coloring, known as Lawsonia inermis, which is a desert flowering plant. So the powdered leaves have been used since ancient times as a natural dye. In India, it is widely used from very ancient time. Henna gives a hair reddish tint, and when mixed with other botanicals such as indigo and cassia, can create a variety of beautiful warm colors. So henna, a deep conditioner, coats the hair shaft, seals the moisture, tightens the cuticle, and increases the body and luster, and makes hair soft and silky. So it is main purpose is to have the right red color tinted hair and also have the hair conditioning effect as well. The next herbal source is the hops, popularly known as Humulus lupulus. It helps heal and repair the damaged hair. It contains a nourishing oil that is an effective hair conditioner and thickener. It also stimulates the scalp circulation and encourages growth. So again, it is mainly used for the scalp conditioning and for the treatment of hair thinning and hair loss. So we can say that we have large number of hair treatment herbal sources. Few of them are very popularly and widely used in various commercial product as well. You must have seen the fenugreek combination and nowadays highlighting and streaking effects on the hairs. The colors derived are from the natural sources like lavender, henna, indigo, and these color combinations create a number of colors which are used for the highlighting. Even clove, green tea have been used for the highlighting of the hair depending on the type of and texture of the hair color desired and required. Blonde hair treatment. So nowadays hair industry is not only limited to just hair oils, hair serums, hair oils, hair promoting substance, hair extracts. Various types of the herbal extracts are used for the treatment of hairs. So hair industry is again growing. Hair cosmetics are widely and popularly used worldwide. So the industry is now focused on the growing segment with a vast scope of manifold expansion in the coming years. So we can say herbal cosmetics are the beauty products which are actually used by the consumers to have the desirable physiological activity, such as not only hair treatments like hair thinning, hair loss, even for the hair coloring, hair regrowth, hair texture improvement, smoothing purposes, enhancing and conditioning properties, utilizing the vast benefit of these herbal resources. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe Pharmacypedia for getting further updates, and stay tuned. Thank you.